In this part, you will have 4 seconds to preview, 10 seconds to finish, and 8 seconds to review. Try to record greater than 15, and you will pass this. Good luck! Use on for things resting on a surface, like on the shelf. At refers to a point or specific location, e.g. at the supermarket. At the corner means at a specific point or location within the supermarket. Use in for enclosed spaces, like in the fridge. Use in for enclosed spaces, like in the fridge. Use at for specific locations or positions. On the door means attached to the surface of the door. Use in the aisle for things located within an area or space. At the entrance refers to a specific point or location. On is used for things attached to surfaces, like labels on packages. The barcode is on the surface of the box. At the front describes a specific point or position. Use in for being inside a container or enclosed space like a cart. At the back indicates a specific part or point of the store. On is used because the sticker is on the surface of the can. The flyer is attached to the surface of the handle. Use on. In line is the common phrase in American English for waiting in a queue. Use on for items placed on shelves, surface. On the second floor is the standard phrase for floors in buildings. In the freezer, because the ice cream is inside an enclosed space.